Nebius just got something that most AI companies would kill for: validation from Nvidia. And in this market, that kind of backing can change very fast, because if Nebius can turn a $2 billion investment into real scale, real numbers, and real momentum, this stock will have a lot more room to run. But if expectations are already too high, the downside, it could be just as big. So in this video, I'm breaking down what the deal really means, how the market reacted, and what would need to happen for Nebius to justify the hype. My name is Rick Orford. I'm a Wall Street Journal bestselling author. I've been trading since 1999, and no, I'm not a financial advisor. That is a good thing. I break down the numbers so retail investors like us can make smarter, more confident decisions with our money. I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. And you all know how much I love researching new stocks and trying to find the next best investment. So I'm proud to partner with The Motley Fool to bring you 10 stock picks from their popular product, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor has beaten the market by almost 6 times. Go to fool.com/RickO to get your 10 stock picks right now. So let's start with what Nebius actually is. Nebius is a tech company that builds cloud infrastructure specifically designed for artificial intelligence. Its platform provides the computing power that companies need to train AI models, run inference, and process massive data sets. And it operates large-scale GPU clusters along with its own software platform that helps developers build, test, and deploy AI systems more efficiently. The company also operates globally with engineering and research hubs across Europe, North America, and Israel. So it's already positioned to support businesses and researchers that are working on advanced AI applications. Now, on March 3rd, Nebius received approval from the Independent City Council in Missouri to move forward with a new AI factory campus, and this is a big one. The campus has potential capacity of up to 1.2 gigawatts, which would make it the company's largest AI infrastructure project in the States. But honestly, that's old news as far as the market is concerned. What really grabbed the attention is that Nvidia, the undisputed leader in AI, will invest $2 billion in Nebius because of, well, quote, Nebius's business and unique depth of engineering expertise across the full AI technology stack. That changes, well, everything. Because it'd be one thing if Nebius were just building aggressively on its own, but when Nvidia steps in with that kind of money, the market, it sees something else. It sees confidence, it sees validation, and it sees credibility. Now, I'm going to get into the implications of that investment in a second, but first, let's have a look at how the market reacted. On the day of the announcement, the stock closed at $112. Right now, it's trading at around $108. So even after this little pullback, the stock is still up. That brings its 5-day growth to 13%, and it's also up 29% year to date, and over the last 52 weeks, it's up 280%. That is a huge move. So the question on almost all investors' minds right now is pretty simple. How far can this combination of its first gigawatt-scale factory and Nvidia's investment push the stock further? And picture this. You got a company, right, building out major AI infrastructure. You've got Nvidia putting real money behind it. And now you got a stock that's already had a massive run. That's exactly why the name is getting so much attention. This topic comes up all the time in my Discord, so I want to break it down today, starting with the factory first. The planned AI factory is expected to support up to 1.2 gigawatts of computing capacity. That would make it Nebius's largest AI infrastructure facility in the States. The campus will span roughly 400 acres, and it'll include multiple buildings designed to handle high-performance computing and large-scale AI workloads. Now, what really matters here is what a project like this can do beyond just adding more computing capacity, because when a company builds a campus this large, it doesn't just build servers and buildings. It starts building an ecosystem, and that can mean suppliers, contractors, and companies that want close access to high-performance computing themselves. Over time, infrastructure like this can become a real hub for AI development. And that could strengthen Nebius's position in the growing AI data center market. And then you've got Nvidia, right? I mean, and Nebius can use that $2 billion to scale and expand its infrastructure faster. And the close ties may also make it easier for Nebius to get the latest GPUs from Nvidia. Now, hear me out. That part matters a lot, right? Because in AI or AI infrastructure, access to the best chips from the best provider, well, that can be a major competitive advantage. I mean, you'd think money alone or capital alone would be enough. But capital plus a close relationship with Nvidia, well, it could matter even more. And still, the biggest catalyst here, maybe the simplest one. Nvidia invested in Nebius. That alone sends a clear message to the market. And recent levels have shown that anything that Nvidia touches tends to attract attention fast. But there is another side to that too. And this is where investors, they need to be careful. When Nvidia sells shares in a specific company, the market also tends to follow suit. And that's why Nvidia's continued support matters so much. It helps keep confidence high. But if that support ever goes away, you'd honestly expect the market reaction to be rough, wouldn't you? And it is, as we can see right here. So yes, the upside story is exciting, but the dependency on that relationship also matters. Now, before I go any further, there is one practical move that retail investors may want to think about right now. If you like Nebius, but you think the price is expensive, and you want to buy in Nebius, but just at a lower price, consider selling a cash-secured put on Nebius, because that can be a way to get paid while waiting for the stock to come down to your price. And if it does, you buy it. And by the way, I covered the entire strategy up here in this video. Definitely check it out. And with a company that is as volatile as Nebius is, a strategy like that can make a lot of sense. Now, let's talk valuation. At $108 a share, Nebius has a market cap of about $28 billion. The stock currently trades at around 46 times its sales. That means investors are paying about $46 for every single dollar the company makes, and that is rich. What it tells me is that the market is expecting very strong growth, very big things from Nebius in the years ahead. Because when a company trades at such high multiple of sales, investors are basically betting that revenue will grow a lot as demand for AI infrastructure continues to rise. On the other hand, the stock trades at a book value of about 5. And book value is what the company is worth on paper. You calculate it by adding up all of its assets and then subtract all of the liabilities. And whatever remains for shareholders is then divided by the total share count. And right now, Nebius's book value is $18 per share. So if the company were to shut down, sell all of its assets, pay all of its debts, the shareholder would get $18 per share, regardless of how much they paid for the stock. That's why this stock is clearly trading on future expectations, not on current asset value. Investors aren't paying for what Nebius is today. They're paying for what they think it might become in the future. And that's where the risk becomes, right? Because when expectations get this high, execution, it's got to be strong. It's got to be really strong. Meanwhile, the company's 60-month beta is 4.02. That tells me that the stock moves about 4 times as much as the S&P 500 does in either direction. So this isn't just a growth stock. It's a volatile growth stock. It means upside can be big, but the downside can be big as well. But now, let's have a look at what the analysts think. Is Nebius a buy right now? Well, consider that a consensus among 11 analysts rate Nebius a moderate buy, and that rating has held over the last 3 months. The average score is 4.36 out of 5, although it has ticked down just a bit over that same period. Meanwhile, the high target price has been updated from $211 to $232, and that suggests there's now as much as 114% potential upside from its most recent closing price. So yes, on paper, the upside still looks huge, and I actually got to agree with that moderate buy rating. It makes sense because Nebius operates in one of the fastest growing areas of technology, AI infrastructure. Its platform provides the computing power that's needed to train and run AI models. And demand for that kind of infrastructure continues to rise as more companies build AI systems. But there is a reason the rating isn't any stronger. The company is still reporting large losses, and it's still spending heavily on data center expansion. So, yes, the long-term story is compelling, but the current financial picture still gives analysts and investors a reason to stay cautious. And maybe that's probably why it's got a moderate buy rating instead of a strong buy rating. And I think that's totally fair. That said, I think there are still some things that I think need to happen for Nebius to reach that high target price of $232. I mean, first, if Nebius begins signing major enterprise or research clients to use its GPU clusters, revenue could scale much faster. And second, demand for AI compute would also need to remain strong across the industry. And third, if more companies move their AI training and inference workloads to cloud platforms, well, a company like Nebius could benefit from higher utilization across the infrastructure. So those are really the three biggest pieces that I'm watching: customer wins, industry demand, and infrastructure utilization. If those line up, and I think they can, that bull case gets even stronger. If they don't, then the valuation could start to look stretched really quickly. So that's really the setup here, right? Nebius, they've got a compelling position in AI infrastructure. They've got a massive project in motion in the US, and now it's got Nvidia backing it with $2 billion. That's the kind of combination that gets the market excited. But it's also the kind of setup that comes with huge expectations. And huge expectations can be dangerous, even if execution slips even by a smidge. But now I'm curious what you think. Is Nebius an early AI infrastructure winner in the making? Or is the market getting a little ahead of itself? Would you buy at these levels? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And while you're there, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because it helps others find the video, it supports the channel, and it makes sure you don't miss out on my next deep dive. Well, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.